Hey Googlers, I'm coming to New York, and I want to meet you there. I'm speaking at the Affiliate Summit East, which is in New York City. So if you're in the northeastern region and you don't mind making the trek or the sojourn, they've actually gifted me with 20 tickets. So I can give away 20 tickets to my community. A couple of notes though, you have to be the founder of an e-commerce store to be approved. So please don't apply if you're not. And you have to show up. You have to show up. You'll only have 20 of these, so please don't sign up if you're going to not make it, because that would just take it away from somebody that would make it. The event looks flippin' awesome. Here's the email that they just sent out. Here's what I love about this email. You ready? Check this out. So, promoting the events, 1,000 plus odd people showing up, and the agenda includes, that's my topic. And y'all, they've got a ton of speakers here, and I'm one of the 3 bullet points, so that makes me feel really good. And then there I am here. We can check out the speakers if we want to. But yeah, ASE East. Here's the list of speakers. There's our girl Bethany. She's the programming manager. She helps put together TNC. Brilliant, brilliant human. There I am, pre-midlife crisis. Molly Pitman's going to be there. My boy Scott Cunningham, Ezra Firestone. Lots of talent, firing on all cylinders. And y'all, look at this agenda. The agenda's freaking nuts. It's like back to back to back to back to back. The sessions are really quick. It's like rapid fire. Google Ads meetup. I'll try to make it to that, of course. But then you can just see 12:15 to 12:35, and then move, and then 12:50 to 1:50 or 1:10, and then move, and then I like it actually at conferences when things move this quickly, because you got to jam a lot of value into a small presentation. There's Scott's. Make sure to not miss that. Scott is just a brilliant cat. And then I'm going to be 3:45 Eastern. I'll probably be a little tired, to be honest with you, coming from Arizona. Anyway, would love to see y'all there. July 19th and 20th at the New York Marriott Marquis. I'm going to include a link to claim the free tickets. Again, I only have 20, so if you go to the link and it's out, then it's out, and I'm so sorry. I'd love to still see you there. I don't think the tickets are insurmountably expensive. I know the Affiliate Summit East, I think, is a lot smaller than the Affiliate Summit West, is what I've heard, especially in the post-COVID environment. This is just them getting ramped back up, but I honestly count that to be of some level of value, because it means it's going to be a little bit more intimate. And then we'll be speaking at Affiliate Summit West as well, or at least I believe we will be. My business partner is slated for that one. So would love to meet you in New York. If you've been a subscriber and you want to swing by and say hi. I'm not there for very long. I'm literally flying in on the red eye, doing my talk, and then getting out. But if we have the opportunity to connect and whatever, I think that'd be pretty cool. And I appreciate you supporting my speaking and our channel. Thank you for subscribing. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers. I think at last count we're like 10 people away, which is really exciting. This has all been awesome and amazing, and I appreciate all y'all. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in New York.